Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. Plus, we have a few glitches to talk about as well. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. And of course, go ahead and clip your file 25 for Saturday. Next up, I want y'all to be aware, we do have some higher value and lower value coupons on the Bounty and Charmin products. So just double check. On some of my accounts, I have a 3 off 1. Some accounts have a 2 off 1. Some accounts have a 1 off 1. And I believe all accounts have that 50-cent off 1. So just be aware on the Bounty and Charmin. Double check before you clip them to your account. Next up, we have this DG cashback offer for $1.25 back on the Glade air fresheners. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the cashback, that's going to make your final price just $1. Here we have that 3 off 1 for the Charmin. Right below it, we have a 3 off 1 on the Colgate toothpaste. So those start out at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. Now there's some specific Max Fresh toothpaste, and we also have the Optic White toothpaste that are priced at $3.25. So if you are not sure, scan it in the store before you go up to the register to price check it. Next up, 3 off 1 for our Tide products. These are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're paying $6.95. All right, next up, we have this DG cashback offer for 50 cents back on the Purina Beneful wet dog food trays. Now, some of you all may remember a little deal that we had about a month ago. It is still going on. If you pick up 3 of the Purina Beneful wet dog food trays, they're on sale, 2 for $2.65. We have a buy one get one free coupon, plus we have a $1.99 off 2 digital coupon as well. After all of that is applied, you're paying 66 cents for all 3. If this cashback stacks and works with those coupons, that is going to make that little deal completely free, plus an 84-cent moneymaker. So I am super excited about that. Next up, we have a $1.25 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. Those are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're paying $2.50. Next up, we have this DG cashback offer for $4 back on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. Now, you can pick up the 75 load or the 105 loads. Definitely go for that higher one because they are both priced at $9.50. We do have a 3 off 1 digital coupon with this cashback offer. If both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price just $2.50, which is a fantastic deal. Alright, so moving on down, I went ahead and clipped all of these cashback offers. We have this 3 off 1 for the Colgate products. If you want to pick up the mouthwash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. This coupon is also glitching and working on the charcoal toothbrushes. Those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay 35 cents. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the charcoal max white toothbrushes. Those are priced at just $3. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Now, jumping back to those cashback offers, I do want to remind everybody that it can take a couple of days for the offers to show up. I'm actually going to go back, check on the fine print, and see what exactly the cutoff date and the language for the cashback offers were. I know that they told us that when the cashback offers first showed up on our account, so I'm going to go back and check that out, and I'm going to make a post about it in the community tab. Next up, we have a 2 off 3 for the Pepsi 12 packs. So the Mountain Dew are on sale, 3 for $15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 3. We also have a $1 cashback offer on the Mountain Dew 12 packs. So if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $10 for 3 12 packs. If you want to pick up the Starry 12 packs, those are on sale, 3 for $11. I'm not sure why there's a difference there, but there is. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 3. And with the Starry 12 packs, we do have a $1.50 cashback offer. So if all of that stacks and works together, you're going to pay $4.50 for all 3. All right, next up, we have a 5 off 2 for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. The Irish Spring is priced at $5.35, so after the coupon, you're paying $5.70 for 2. If you want to pick up the Soft Soap, those are priced at $5.50, so you're going to pay $6 for 2 after the coupon. Moving on down, there's that lower value Bounty coupon that we talked about. and the Charmin. We have a 2 off 3 on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew and the Bubbly. So this is on the 6 or the 8 packs. If you want to pick up the Mountain Dew 6 packs, they're on sale 3 for $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 3. We do have a $1 cashback offer, so if both of those stack and work together, that's going to leave your final price at $6 for 3 6-packs. If you want to pick up the Starry 6-packs, those are on sale, 3 for $13. After the coupon, you're paying $11 for 3. We do have a $1 cashback offer on the Starry 6-packs as well, so that's going to make your final price $8 for 3. And if you want to pick up the Bubbly 8-packs, those are on sale, 3 for $11. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 3. We do have a $1 cashback offer on those as well, so if both of those stack, that's going to make your final price $6 for 3. Next up, we have this $6.48 off of 2. You have to pick up the Downy and the Tide. So after everything's said and done, you're going to pay $22.42 for 2. Now, this coupon is glitching. It's not a great glitch, but it is a glitch. If you want to pick up 2 of the Bounty, they're priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $19.42 for 2. If you all want to do this deal, I would definitely wait until Saturday to take advantage of that deal. Next up, we have a $3.50 off 1 Tide Simply and the Bounce dryer sheet. So, this coupon is glitching. It is working on the Bounce 105 count dryer sheets. Pick up 2. They're priced at $5 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50 for 2. There's that 3 off 1 Arm & Hammer that we talked about earlier. We have some candy deals. Maxwell House Coffee is on sale this week for $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50, and then we also have a 10-cent cashback offer on those. We have a buy 2, get 1 free on the Celsius drinks. Those are priced at $2.50, so you're going to pay $5 for 3 with the coupon. We have a 5 off 1 for the Airwick 5-count oil refills. Those are priced at $12, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. Moving on down, we have some older coupons. Alright, next up, we have a 2 off 1 for our Dulcolax and Zantac products. If you want to pick up the 25 count Dulcolax, those are priced at $6.35. After the coupon, you're paying $4.35, and then we do have a $2 cashback offer, so if both of those stack, that's going to make your final price $2.35. On the Zantac, if you want to pick up the 8 count, those are priced at $4.30. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.30. Now next, we're going to talk about this Gain coupon. It's a 2 off 2 on the Gain Fireworks, and this is on the 5 ounce. They started out a couple of years ago at the 5.7 ounce bottles for $4.50. Last year, they shrunk the size down, and I believe it went to a 5.5 ounce, still at the same price. Now, they have brought us all the way down to 5 ounces of the fireworks, still at the same price, $4.50. With this coupon, though, you're going to pay $7 for 2. So, you guys let me know what your thoughts are on that down in the comment section below. We have a 2 off 3 for our Coca-Cola and Sprite 12 packs. So those are on sale, 3 for $15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 3. More DG store coupons. And we did receive a new Gain coupon. So we have a 5 off 20 this week at Dollar General, and this coupon does expire on the 16th. Alright guys, so there you have it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. That is going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because we have our new clearance markdowns and penny list coming up next. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.